After a successful landing on the moon's south pole, ISRO sent Aditya L1 to the sun. On September 2, 2023, ISRO launched Aditya L1 into space to study the sun. It is the first Indian mission dedicated to observing the sun. The spacecraft shall be placed in a halo orbit around Lagrange point 1, a distance of 15 lakh kilometers from Earth. The Aditya L1 mission is expected to reach the observation point L1 in 4 months. Let's know about Lagrange point. Lagrange points are named in honor of Italian-French mathematician Joseph-Louis Lagrange. Lagrange point is a location in space where the gravitational forces of two celestial bodies, such as the Sun and Earth, are in equilibrium. So at this point, the spacecraft stays in a fixed position relative to the Sun and Earth. It's a kind of gravitational sweet spot. Here, it won't take a lot of energy or fuel to keep a spacecraft there. The Aditya L1 mission aims to understand the Sun's corona's high temperature and its impact on space weather.